guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this animated cinematic bar on CapCut PC. So select your video and you're just going to simply select the mask button, select film strip, and have it at like the usual frame, I guess. First add a keyframe here, and then you're going to go to part where you want the border to start showing up, maybe like in the middle, and you're going to bring this up here like around this much. You don't want it to be very like squeezed, I guess. Maybe like this is good. But yeah, that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!